Hi guys, it's me, Mr. Bradley, and as you may know, I am not releasing as many teaching and learning videos now that we are in the midst of our summer holidays. At the minute, I'm busy collecting more footage that I can use for the upcoming year. Something I've been doing at the moment is working with small local businesses who have agreed to give me private tours, which will help me to make some really cool and interesting educational videos. In return, I have agreed to make them a short promotional video to help advertise their companies. So, what I'm going to do today is post a promotional video I made for a blacksmithing company to help market their business. Enjoy!